Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency in the Forever 21 website on your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we're going to go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. Once you open the website, log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see this interface of the website. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see your country's name. Tap on your country. Now you'll be prompted to select your country and your currency. So currently, my currency is set to Nepalese rupee. So now I'm gonna change it to pound sterling. So for that, I'll need to select the country first. Tap on the country. It'll bring the drop-down list. Now go to United Kingdom. You can select as per your requirements. So it is showing the currency as pound sterling. Once you're done selecting the country and your currency, tap on the save button. Now, if you check out the products, on the products page, here you can see the currency is shown in pound sterling now. There you go. That's how you can change your currency on the Forever 21 website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.